I am Anusha Heralagi. I have completed my electrical and electronics engineering in 2021. I have joined JSPIDERS in September. My experience in JSPIDERS is really good. My knowledge in Java really improved well. The teachers teach us in such a way that we get even the small basic things also. So it really did help me in cracking my placements. So this is whatever the knowledge I gained in Java, that really did help me in giving my interview. And the same questions were asked in the interview also. So I'm really grateful to the JSPIDERS. Thank you.